Okay, so we have here a problem prior to factor theorem. So number one problem is x plus 2, a factor of 7x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so let's have a solution. Okay, so number one, they are asking, okay, that if this x plus 2 is a factor of 7x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so the C would be the opposite of positive 2, so negative 2. So let's substitute that negative 2 to all of the x's here in this given polynomial. So 7 times negative 2 raised to 2 plus 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So copy 7. Now what is negative 2 raised to 2? That is 4 plus 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Okay, then copy the plus 4. Next, 7 times 4 is 28. Then positive times negative, negative, then copy the 4. Then copy the plus 4. Now, 28 minus 4 is 24. 28 minus 4 is 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay. So therefore we have the remainder 28 and that is not a zero. Therefore, for the question for number one, if it's the factor which is the x plus 2, if this x plus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial, so the answer is no. Okay, so hope you learned. Okay, again guys, we can say that a given divisor where like this a given binomial is a factor of a given polynomial if, okay, according to factor theorem, we have the remainder 0. Okay, if that's not a 0, then that given divisor or that given binomial is not a factor of the polynomial. Thank you and hope you've learned from this given example.